So I am not a fan of cleaning in general, so anything you can do that makes cleaning a little bit more convenient, it means that I'm going to do it a little bit more often. So I have hardwood floors throughout my entire house. Swiffer has made it a little bit easier, in my opinion, to keep those hardwood floors clean. So this is what I use. Now you actually have to already have the Swiffer mop, and I actually buy the Swiffer wood spray as well to put in that mop. This is just the refills for the actual scrubbing pad that goes on the bottom of the mop. You can put the fluid in if you want to use that. I mean, sometimes I do, sometimes I don't, but these things just stick right onto the mop itself. They stay on there pretty well. I've never had a real issue with that, but it also has kind of like an abrasive center if you need to kind of scrub like a stain off the floor or something sticky off the floor. But these are really, really absorbent, and it's actually kind of interesting. Even if my floors look pretty clean, I'll stick one of these on there and just do a once over, and you'll find how dirty your floor actually is after you use one of these. But it's nice that once you get all that dirt and grime and grossness, you can just peel this off of the mop and throw it away and you're good to go. Now, I have used these for multiple uses. If you're just tidying up in between cleanings and you're not doing a real crazy scrub, you could probably get a couple uses out of these, but usually if you're going to scrub your floor with this, one of these, it's pretty much gross by the time you're done with it, and you should probably get rid of it. So in most scenarios, you can get one or two out of these, but usually only one if your floor is pretty dirty. But it makes it way more convenient. Instead of filling a bucket full of water and getting the mop out and then cleaning the mop when you're done, I wouldn't do that very often. So something like this just makes it so much more convenient that I actually do it on a regular basis, which is great. And you can just keep buying these refills then. The mops last for a long time. You just need to get the refill in order to have the new cleaning pads on the bottom. But this is what I do. It's convenient for me. I like it, and I would definitely recommend it.